So, sister, from where have you come here?
We came from Holy Cross School, Agartala.
What have you done?
We came to give flood relief materials to the people in need.
Tell the location here. Where is it?
Marwa village.
How many victims have gotten?
We have given 57 families
What have you given?
various items like rice, onion, soya bean, clothes, oil, and dal. Potatoes also.
Etc. You have distributed.
Yes, we have distributed to 57 families.
Those who are flood victims.
Yes, whose house have been completely washed off by flood.
So, it is the first place, no, you have given.
No, we have given to, we have reached out to many villages.
Today.
Yeah, today. For the
Then,
this is the first time.
then afterwards from here, where will you go?
This is this name of the village. Let me just find out from here. Kumlai kami, Tingkharia, Mandui kami, Ondhalak, and Sorbong village. Marwa kami, we just finished.
Okay, then, thank you.
We have come here in the name of Holy Cross School, Agartala, to give flood relief materials. We have handed over to in Marwa kami and Mandoi kami, Dhalak, Sorbong, and Tinggaria, then Komlai kami. Altogether 210 families. So we are happy to reach all the families, and we are happy to see the joy in their faces. We hope that many people are inspired to help them out in their need, and we pray God's blessings on all of them. Thank you.
Just few questions only.
All right.
Sister, today, how many people you have come from your school, and apart from school, who are the dignitaries along with you all?
We are 11 from Holy Cross School, Agartala, and Sir is there, MLA from this constituency. Sir Patham. Ompinagar, yeah. And then the village chairman also were helping us.
Village chairman.
Village chairman also were helping us, and people around us also were helping us to unload the things. And we are happy to meet the people here.
Thank you so much.